Tonight, a deadly equation. Murder cases are going down all across the country, but not here in Cleveland. News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison has covered crime in this city for years. Tonight, she shows us why the city's murder rates remain so high.
He was an uncle. He was a nephew.
And a son.
He had a family that loved him.
But it didn't add up to enough.
He was trying to find his way.
To save Brian Gardner.
He had challenges.
On January 10th, 2022, Aisha Muwakil got a call. Her son had been shot. She rushed to the scene at East 123rd Street and Phillips Avenue. She went to a nearby store and asked to see surveillance video. The owner showed her this. Aisha watched as two people, dressed in black from head to toe, circled Brian's Jeep.
At the same time, it was like without saying, they just opened up fire.
And murdered her son.
How do you come back from this?
Samantha Dunnigan is Brian's sister.
It's not fair that at 22, my brother lost his life.
His death, one of 168 homicides in Cleveland last year.
There's so many people.
The murder rate, even higher this year.
So many people whose families are hurt.
Up another 13%. Even more troubling when you see rates around the U.S. are down.
We're able to say with some comfort, this is the trend this year.
Analyst Jeff Asher collects and publishes murder data from more than 100 big cities.
The most logical explanation is that we've seen the pandemic, and everything that the pandemic had associated with it has sort of faded away.
The data shows murder rates dropping in cities like Phoenix, St. Louis, and Detroit, New Orleans, Atlanta, and Baltimore, and in Ohio, Akron, and Cincinnati. So, why are more people dying in Cleveland?
We can see that Cleveland already had extremely high violent crime rates, right?
Rachel Lovell says Cleveland is typically in the top 10 for homicides per capita. The director of the Criminology Research Center at Cleveland State University says that made its pandemic spike bigger and its recovery slower.
The problems that Cleveland already had with violent crime, in particular for homicide, were just exacerbated by the pandemic at a higher rate than some of these other cities.
But that's not the only reason. Now add tough economic conditions and easy access to guns to the equation. Plus one more variable. Cleveland's homicide unit has 17 detectives. Experts recommend 38.
You need detectives to be able to clear the cases and to be able to work them.
So at this news conference about violent crime, we asked Cleveland Mayor Justin Bibb why homicide remains understaffed.
Why haven't you devoted more resources to that?
We are devoting every resource we possibly can to really support the Cleveland Division of Police.
Bibb didn't answer why he has not increased the number of detectives or if he plans to.
What would you tell all of the mothers who are waiting for justice?
We share their frustration. We share their pain.
Bibb did say the city is in a war for talent when it comes to hiring officers. The force is currently close to 300 short. He also says Cleveland will continue collaborating with federal partners to try to reduce the murder rate.
Ours is going up. What does that tell you?
We have a lot more work to do, but the men and women of our police department is working very hard to keep our city safe, and I'm so proud of their service. Thank you so much, Sarah.
If I had the mayor's ear, I would say that we need to continue to address this as a public health issue, not just a criminal justice response.
Rachel recommends support for groups like Cleveland Peacemakers Alliance. It uses mediation and other tools to help create safer neighborhoods.
If you put kids in the sandbox but give them nothing to play with, what do you expect them to do?
A single mom, Aisha wonders if resources could have saved her son. Brian's behavior was a complex problem she struggled to solve. Before he died, she says he was selling drugs.
And at the end, his actions end up catching up with him, and it costed him his life.
Since then, her son's case has grown as cold as the January day he died. Her grief,
I don't know the who.
multiplied by the mystery.
All I know is he's not here.
We've repeatedly asked Cleveland police for information about Brian's case, but no one responded. Live in the newsroom, I'm News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison.
Sarah, every one of those numbers we have to keep in mind is a person, is a real person with a real story. We thank you for bringing us that story tonight. Wow.